Are you looking for the best folding dining table? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best dining table on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. New Home Era Folding Utility Table. The New Home Era Folding Utility Table is a newcomer in the segment of folding dining tables. This piece of plastic furniture lays a good impression at first glance. The structure looks very simple and the mechanism is very easy to operate. Built material is of high-density polyethylene plastic, which serves as a good medium for outdoor purposes. Gray powder-coated steel tubes withhold the main body by acting as a durable framework. The steel tubes have an inner wall thickness of 1 mm with a diameter of 25 mm. Besides being durable, the frame is sturdy enough to hold 300 pounds. The company claims the texture to be stain-resistant, but the reviews are contradictory. However, it is scratch-proof as it is made of high-grade polyethylene and is smooth enough to write on. The New Home Era Folding Utility Table weighs around 28 pounds and has a dimension of 37.25 by 30.25 by 4 inches. So it is one of the most lightweight products on the list and can be easily relocated. Being lightweight, it allows its users to store and carry it almost anywhere. The New Home Era Folding Utility Table is a good alternative for indoor parties and outdoor camping. Have a word: if you exceed the maximum load limit of 300 pounds, the table might collapse. It indicates that the New Home Era Folding Utility Table is not meant for heavy-duty tasks. However, you can choose this New Home Era product for outdoor purposes. Number 2. FORUP 6-foot Folding Table. The FORUP 6-foot folding table is one of the best folding dining tables in the segment. The built material is high-density polyethylene plastic. With gray powder-coated steel tube of 1 mm, the structure can withstand high weight retention. Users get the benefits like superior strength and durability offered by a steel tube of 25 mm in diameter. The company claims the weight retention of being of 330 pounds, but you can also mount heavy items up to 500 pounds on the FORUP 6-foot folding table. However, the table might get a deep dent if you exceed the weight retention capacity by 330 pounds. When the packaging arrives, inspect the flat desk for any dents or crevices. When unfolded, the product has a dimension of 71L x 29W x 29H and 35.4L x 29W x 3H when folded. On the other hand, you don't need to worry about any stain, as the material is stain-resistant and non-corrosive. To avoid scratching and unwanted impressions, the manufacturers developed an easy-to-clean surface. This initiative by the company increased the texture quality of the material to a great extent. When it comes to safety, this product is one of the best folding dining tables in the market. It has gravity locks that keep tables spacious and open when unfolded. You can easily slide out to refold the structure. Moreover, the honeycomb design present at the back helps to enhance the pressure. The feet are anti-skidding, which provides better stability on unfolding. Its lightweight design allows users to fold it in half with an ergonomic carry handle. It saves so much space that you can store it anywhere, which makes it perfect for various occasions. Number 3. COLIBYOU 6-foot Folding Table Portable Plastic Dining Camp Table. If you are often visited with uninvited guests, the COLIBYOU 6-foot folding table might be of some help. It is a decent 6-foot folding dining table that has a lot to offer in the segment. Not only has a dining table, but it can also be used for outdoor purposes. This 6-foot folding portable table is mostly used at parties to store food items. Therefore, you can easily have a brief idea about its weight-bearing capacity. It has an ergonomic handle and a clip, which makes it easier to transport and relocate. The clip helps the carrier to keep the table intact and preventing it from falling. This portable plastic dining table is compact, but don't let its lightweight fool you. Even if it is lightweight, it does not affect its sturdiness. Many customers review the packaging to be poor and casual. There are numerous reviews about the poor transportation leading to plastic fracture of the folding table. The table has dents on the 4 corners that appear to be disproportionate. Most satisfied users recommend this product for official use. being one of the most versatile product in this segment, to prove itself to be a value for money product. However, there are no negative reviews about the design and weight-bearing capacity. This 6 feet folding table is lightweight and easier to relocate. Initially, it might be difficult to pull for refolding, but you will get used to it. As compared to the other 6 feet folding tables, the COLIBYOU needs a lot of effort. Number 4. Winzome Suzzane 3PC Space Saver Folding Table. If you want a folding dining table with storage, the Winzome Suzzane 30PC Space Saver set is for you. This versatile piece of furniture has a lot to offer which many regular dining tables don't. Being versatile, this Space Saver set is an ideal site to dine with your family members. It can be accommodated in your kitchen for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. When it comes to packaging, this piece of furniture comes in a well-packed structure. Moreover, unfolding the Winzome Suzzane 3-piece Space Saver folding table is fun. It is a drop-leaf dining table that is supported by a swing-away leg. The swing of a leg can be opened by a V-rolling caster to form 1 or 2 dining tables. Depending on the number of members, you can adjust the structure. Even if you live in a large joint family, we will have no problem with accommodation. You can roll other units like the stools by operating the lower drop leaf. Moreover, you can also create more space by rolling the unit into the corner. The hideaway tools are studied and have broad seat tops with oval corners. These tools can be easily stored neatly under the table to follow a compact footprint. The 2 drawers have cutout handles and are ideal for storing utensils, napkins, and other accessories. Moreover, you can also store a kitchen towel on the push handle. The rollers are wooden and are finished with a sleek coffee texture. The entire folding dining table is made from high-quality wood. All the accessories and frames are shipped in a single packaging. Number 5. Office Star Resin Multi-Purpose Rectangle Table. If you want a decent kitchen folding table, try the Office Star Resin Multi-Purpose Rectangle Table. This folding table catches the attention of many customers because of its compatibility. However, the fit and finish of the following table are not up to the mark. The screws beneath the table are not properly tightened. If you want to tighten the screws, do it carefully as they seem to lack quality. Therefore, you should probably tighten the screws all by yourself. The dimensions of the Office Star Resin Multi-Purpose Rectangle Table is 6 feet in length with standard width. Due to loose screws, you might find a peak in the middle of the table. Many customers do not care for it, but it gives an ordinary look on contemplation. When it comes to space saving, the Office Star Racing Multi-Purpose Rectangle Table is the product for you. On folding, the table seems like a small suitcase. The Office Stylizing Multi-Purpose Rectangle Table is one of the most versatile products in the segment. You can use it to dine with your family at home, at a picnic spot, or even in exhibitions. The review says that many customers find this folding dining table to be compact, but heavy. This is because the grab bars have poor ergonomics and are slightly heavy. So, if you are a senior citizen, you might find some difficulty in relocation. However, folding is easy and the main body becomes handy after folding. When you set them up, inspect the locks to come down to the table legs. This initiative will make it easier to pile stuff on the small drop leaf table. An improper folding might lead your folding table to collapse. It is because the body is designed in such a way. Coming to maintenance, this multi-purpose rectangle table is easy to clean and maintain.